Okay, so the next thing on our list of things to do is the power rule. Okay, so we're going to start out with the basics, and you should have already done this with your partners, so let's get started. So if you notice, this says that I have 5 to the second power inside the parentheses, but then I have it to the third power here. So I wrote 5 2 times, 5, but it's 3 different times. So what's inside the parentheses are the 2 5s, and then I wrote that 3 different times. And when I add them all up, I get 5 to the 6th power. So that's what we're going to do here. So 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 is 8. And I'm going to write that 4 different times. One last time. Oops. Now, when I've done that, I count up how many 8s there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I have 20 8s. Then, on this one, it says I have 3 x's inside. X times x times x, and I'm going to write that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, just remember that those parentheses, a parenthesis times a or next to a parenthesis means multiplication. So that's why I didn't put multiplication symbols. Now, could I? Of course. I could put the multiplication symbols in between, but you don't actually need them. So now I'm going to count up how many x's I have. Three, 6, 9, 12. So I have 12 x's. Okay, so now let's look at these again. Look at the table above. Compare the first and the third column. Again, for the third time now, if you're following along on all the videos I'm doing, this right here has the same, the bases, I should say, are the same. This 5 is still 5. The 8 is still 8, and the x is still x. Now, the exponent, on the other hand, the exponent is what? So I go from 2 and 3, I get 6. 5 and 4, I get 20. 3 and 4, I get 12. So if I look at this closely, I'm actually multiplying my exponents. The exponent is, or I should say exponents, are multiplied. The exponents are multiplied. So I look at this right here. I multiply my exponents. Now your sheet is actually turning to the next page. Mine I taped together so that it would be easier to do here. If I can make sure I get it in the correct window here. There we go. So I need to do the same thing. Now, again, I don't have tons of space. On this one, so I'm going to use it up here. So 7 to the 4th, 9 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whew! 1, 2, 3, 4. I am not sure why I'm writing it like that. That doesn't say 7 to the 4th power. Oh my gosh, Kim.